In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a sun visor clip on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located on the interior of the vehicle. Let's get started. Pull the sun visor down and out of the clip. We're going to use a small screwdriver. We're going to pop this middle clip out, then pull straight down and remove our clip. Install the new clip into place and push that button down. That's what will lock our clip in. Close the sun visor and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.